Hello kids, today we'll read a story. Let's begin. Meet the rabbit. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit. Again. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit. Your turn to read. Very good. The rabbit lived in a green forest. Again. The rabbit lived in a green forest. Your turn. Very good. The rabbit was kind and friendly. Again. The rabbit was kind and friendly. Your turn. Very good. One sunny morning, he went for a walk. Again. One sunny morning, he went for a walk. Your turn. Very good. He saw a turtle near the water. Again. He saw a turtle near the water. Your turn. Very good. The turtle looked sad and scared. Again. The turtle looked sad and scared. Your turn. Very good. The turtle could not cross the water. Again. The turtle could not cross the water. Your turn. Very good. The rabbit went near the turtle. Again. The rabbit went near the turtle. Your turn. Very good. The rabbit found a big leaf. Again. The rabbit found a big leaf. Your turn. Very good. The turtle walked on the leaf. Again. The turtle walked on the leaf. Your turn. Very good. The turtle crossed the water safely. Again. The turtle crossed the water safely. Your turn. Very good. Kindness makes everyone happy. Again. Kindness makes everyone happy. Your turn. Very good. Let's answer some questions. Question 1. Who is the main animal in the story? Option A, lion. Option B, rabbit. Option C, dog. Option B, rabbit is the right answer. Very good. Question 2. Which animal needed help? Option A, bird. Option B, turtle. Option C, deer. Option B, turtle. Very good. Question 3. What did the rabbit use to help? Option A, stick. Option B, leaf. Option C, stone. Option B, leaf. Very good. Question 4. How did the turtle cross the water? Option A, by swimming. Option B, on a leaf. Option C, by flying. Option B, on a leaf. Correct. Very good. Question 5. What is the moral of the story? Option A, be fast. Option B, be kind. Option C, be loud. Option B, be kind. Correct. Very good. Thank you for reading with me. You did a wonderful job today. Keep reading every day. You are doing great. See you soon for another fun story. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.